Hey there, tech enthusiasts and cyber watchdogs. Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and most intriguing tech discoveries from around the digital universe. Today we're venturing into uncharted territory, so fasten your seatbelts because this one's a wild ride. We've stumbled upon an AI tool that's so dark and dangerous, it's like the Darth Vader of the digital world. Say hello to Worm GPT. In this mind-blowing video, we'll unravel the secrets of this malicious AI, exploring its origins and capabilities and the spine-chilling implications it poses for our cybersecurity landscape. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future tech adventures. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end to fully grasp the magnitude of this AI menace. So with that cautionary note, let's embark on this thrilling and eye-opening journey. What is Worm GPT? Worm GPT is a powerful generative AI tool based on the GPT-J language model, which emerged in 2021. While you might be familiar with its more benign counterpart, ChatGPT, which comes equipped with ethical safeguards, Worm GPT takes a darker path. This AI tool is explicitly tailored for malicious activities, enabling cybercriminals to unleash a myriad of harmful actions, including crafting convincing phishing emails, developing sophisticated malware, and even providing advice on illegal activities. In essence, Worm GPT is an all-in-one toolkit for those seeking to exploit others for personal gain, without ever stepping out of their comfort zones. The origins of Worm GPT. The discovery of Worm GPT sent shockwaves through the cybersecurity community. Next, an esteemed email security provider, stumbled upon this dangerous tool on a notorious online forum known for its association with cybercrime. The developer behind Worm GPT boasts about its extensive and diverse training data, with a significant focus on malware-related information. This meticulous training allows Worm GPT to excel in generating harmful content and executing intricate cyber attacks with unprecedented ease. The absence of ethical boundaries makes this tool a playground for cyber criminals, providing them with the tools they need to wreak havoc on unsuspecting individuals and organizations. The perils of Worm GPT. The dangers posed by Worm GPT are vast and multifaceted. While phishing emails are already a common cyber threat, Worm GPT takes them to a whole new level. Its ability to craft highly convincing emails using natural language and adapt its tone to match the context of the conversation is truly astonishing. By employing chat memory retention, Worm GPT can build trust and rapport with its victims, making phishing attacks exceptionally challenging to detect and resist. Furthermore, its capacity to create malicious code and provide guidance on illegal activities makes it a potent weapon for cybercriminals to launch sophisticated cyber attacks effortlessly. Comparing Worm GPT with other AI models. Worm GPT is not an isolated case in the realm of malicious AI models. There's another infamous tool called Poison GPT, deliberately designed to spread misinformation and sow discord online. Both Worm GPT and Poison GPT underscore the ethical challenges that AI technology presents. While AI models like ChatGPT and Google Bard come equipped with safety measures and disclaimers, Worm GPT operates without any restrictions, making it an enticing choice for cybercriminals seeking maximum impact with minimal effort. The implications and consequences. The implications of Worm GPT falling into the wrong hands are grave and far-reaching. Cybersecurity professionals already face daunting challenges, and malicious AI models only amplify their difficulties. As AI tools like Worm GPT become more sophisticated, cyber attacks become increasingly intricate and harder to mitigate. Now imagine the potential devastation caused by a large-scale cyber attack launched with Worm GPT on critical infrastructures, financial institutions, or government agencies. The consequences could be catastrophic, affecting countless individuals and economies. The ethical use of AI. While Worm GPT showcases the dark side of AI, it's essential to remember that AI technology has transformative potential for good. It can revolutionize cybersecurity, predict threats, enhance various aspects of our lives, and even contribute to medical breakthroughs. However, its potential for harm also demands a responsible approach to its development and use. Developers and users of AI models must prioritize ethics, ensuring that these powerful tools are not turned against individuals or society. As AI technology progresses, striking a balance between innovation and ethical AI development becomes paramount. Thank you all for joining us on this eye-opening journey into the dark realm of Worm GPT. We hope that this in-depth exploration has shed light on the potential perils of AI misuse and the importance of ethical AI development. If you found this video valuable and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all things tech and cybersecurity. Remember, knowledge is our strongest defense against cyber threats. Now more than ever, it's essential to be vigilant and stay informed about the ever-evolving landscape of AI technology. By working together, we can create a safer digital world for everyone. If you have any questions or thoughts about Worm GPT or AI security in general, feel free to share them in the comments below. We love hearing from our incredible community.